So I'm Katey Hügi. I came up with the idea of Forest School Day last year, and I realised I wanted our celebration day to connect, share and celebrate UK Forest School. And that's where it started. Forest School has been connecting children and adults to nature for 25 years. So we have providers, we have suppliers, we have associations, but actually it's the individual's commitment and dedication that I want to thank. So the Forest School parents, the grandparents, the head, there's always somebody behind it who gets this energy and gets the Forest School going. Connect is all about connecting with nature and connecting with each other. It's as simple as that. So I'm inviting you and encouraging you to connect with your local Forest School community, young and old, but also to connect nationally. I want to share Forest School stories. You will have your own Forest School story. How did you get introduced to it? Why do you love it? How long have you been running Forest Schools? What have you learned from it and how have you promoted it? Through raising awareness, we want to support our local Forest Schools so that you have a better ability and opportunity to raise money for your Forest School and get those long-term programmes is what we really want. But I want to celebrate all the commitment and dedication that the individuals put into Forest School to get the recognition that we're in the 25-year environmental plan from the government is fantastic. And I am bringing about an opportunity where people can celebrate together. So Forest School Day 2018 happened on October 12th. I was really humbled by how many people got involved and how they made it their own. That was beautiful. I spent my Forest School Day with Little Haddon School. I have a very strong affection for this school. They have totally embodied Forest School within their walls. It was such a joy to spend time with the children and let them share with me their stories and share their dens and be part of the here and now in the moment. This has started, this is only the beginning, and in 2019, it's October 11th, save the date. Please go on our Facebook page, please share the idea of Forest School Day. We will be looking for people who want to help with the 2019 campaign. Whether you're a photographer, whether you are an artist, if you have something to give or want to share, please get in touch because we would really, really love to hear from you.